Hello, today we're going to be talking about this in front of you. It's the on-air vlogging series Reverb Pro mic. I'm going to be talking about the pricing on this, unboxing this, putting it together, letting you guys see how it looks like, and also just a few details of what I think about it. Before I get started, you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. And also, if I've added value to you with this video, please hit the like button and feel free to leave comments. I always enjoy reading your comments. So let's get started. So this is the front of the box. This is the side of the box. As you can see, it's the vlogging series. And this is the back of the box. And it is the other side of it. So this is the on-air vlogging series, the Reverb Pro. Is your perfect podcast begins here. On-air brings easy-to-use quality podcast solutions, whether you're a professional or just getting started, from plug and play to clip-on audio, essentials, and more. Go live for pro sound and confidence. Perfect for podcasting, studio recording, video conferencing, online giving, vlogging, and more. So I'm going to be opening this right now, and let's see what's in the box. So the first thing you get is your instruction booklet, which is very important, or your manual. And let's pull this out. So this is how it is when you pull it out. So let's take a look at what you're getting in here. So the first thing you'll get is you're going to get your condenser mic, which is this right here. And it says on air. You're going to get the foam windscreen, which is this right here. Some people, you call this a dead cat. It's to keep your breathing, also wind, from, getting into the video when you're speaking. So this actually goes over the mic. And then you get your shock mount, which is this right here. And you get a 3.5 XLR cable, which is this right here. 3.5 XLR cable. And then you also get a USB XLR cable too. So you get. And then finally you get a stand. So that's everything that you get in the box. It's a pretty cool looking item, especially the gold color. Can't go wrong with that. Okay, let's put the box and everything on the side. And let's go ahead and start assembling it. Yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're going to get the stand, place it on the bottom here. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab this piece that is part of when you're under the condenser mic, which is your stand, part of the stand piece. You're going to take it out the plastic. And basically what we're going to do is we're trying to put it the same position as what we have here on the manual. You're going to unscrew this piece on top. Remember, now you have a piece right here that has a screw in the bottom. This doesn't go on the base, okay? So you got to unscrew this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pull this bottom piece out, which you see there's a screw on the bottom here, and you see there's screws here. This is going to go on the base. This right here, you're going to flip it over, use this piece right here that doesn't have the screws right here. You're going to stick it in here on this piece right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pinch this, and then so the mouth opens wide, and you're gonna stick it in. So now it's in there. I'm gonna shove it in now. There you go. So now it's in there. So you see that? It goes down, but it doesn't go past this piece. So it just stays right there. And then I'm gonna take the cap back, and I'm gonna lock it back in place. Then I'm gonna grab this piece right here, which is from the original one, and then I'm gonna stick it into the base or stand. So there you have it. You have your stand right now. So this is very sturdy, okay? Now you're gonna leave this on the bottom. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the shock mount, which is this piece right here. I'm gonna twist this down. You remember, there's this piece right here, which you can actually make tight to hold it in place or loosen it so you can adjust the shock mount. I'm gonna take the piece that has an opening right here. You see that right there? Is an opening. It's kind of like a screw. And I'm gonna just screw it on the top of the stand or base. Okay, so it's in there now. Now the thing is, the great thing about this is this allows you to turn the shock mount now, because you have that piece inside of this frame right here, which the shock mount is screwed onto. And then I just released a little bit and not too tight, so that way I can still bend this over and bend it forward, back and forth. Okay, so now we have that. Now what we're gonna do, now we're gonna grab the condenser mic right here and take it out of the plastic, okay? You see the condenser mic has this on the bottom, this 3-prong piece, right? Kind of like an outlet. You're gonna stick this into the condenser, the shock mount with the head. You can do it either side, this side or this side. There's no correct way of which side it can be. It's up to you, it's your preference. Just like it is depending on how you want to set this up, which piece to do first and which piece to do second. So I'm just gonna grab this right circle right here, use my hand, and it's pretty sturdy. Push it in, and then once you push it in, it'll stop at the end right here, as there's something that holds the condenser mic from going past it. Now I have that. Now I can take the dead cat, or what you might want to call it, the foam windscreen, if you want to put it on. You can actually stick it on into the mic, or you can just leave it off. It depends on your preference. It's more, as I said earlier, to keep the wind and also your breathing to interfere when you're speaking into it. But it's a preference that is really up to you. So I have that in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the USB cable, the USB XLR cable. So right here you have the USB. And as you can see, these 3 holes here, these 3 holes are going to let the shock mount hose in the back here connect right into it. Now remember, they give you 2 cables. There's a 3.5mm XLR cable too. So it's just depending on your preference what you want to use. So here, as you can see, there's a little pin on top. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to press that pin. When you press that pin, then you can shove it in to the shock mount. So let me just take a look. Right there. Boom, it goes in. Really, really easy. So as you can see, it doesn't take a long time just to set this up. So it's pretty sturdy. I mean, that's how you set up the mic, as I did right here. I mean, there's other ways you can do it too, but it's really up to you how you actually want to do this. Now, some of the specifications about this is the microphone type is a 16 pressure gradient transducer. Its polar pattern is unidirectional. The frequency response is 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. The output impedance is 150 plus 30% at 1 kH Hertz. Load impedance greater, less, equal to 1,000. Equivalent noise level is 16 VA. The signal to noise ratio, or SNR, is 78 dB. Electrical current is 3 mA. Body dimensions are 46 by 150 mm, or 1.8 by 5.9 inches. So that's some of the information specifications regarding this item here. Now, some other things to note is when using your microphone, gently slide the phone windscreen over the microphone head. We recommend using the windscreen at all times to avoid interference with excess wind, breathing, adjustment sounds, and other noises. This will ensure the highest audio quality regardless of location environment. So, whether you're in an airplane, whether you're on the road, or you're using it at Starbucks, it's good to just have this phone widescreen or dead cat with you. Turn your amplifier or mixing board and set the volume to the minimum position. So that's what you would want to do when using your microphone. To connect your microphone using platform power, turn on the platform switch and adjust the volume controls, starting from minimal levels and adjusting upwards as needed. Adjust your microphone positions as needed by twisting the knob located on the shock mount. Turn counterclockwise to loosen and reposition as needed. Turn clockwise to tighten again, which is this piece right here, which I was talking about. Okay, once the microphone is positioned appropriately, you may begin recording your audio. So that's something to think about. It's great. The multi-purpose condenser microphone used with vocals, pianos, stringed instruments, and percussion. Ideal for studio quality recording, radio broadcasting, voice-over work, and more. The shock mount is made from high elasticity rope, provides easy installation and fall protection. So that's something great about it too. And it also includes a widescreen to reduce wind interference, unwanted ambient noise, and handling vibration, which is this right here, or dead cat, some people call it. But all in all, this is pretty setup, as you can see. Now, what is the price on this? The price is about $25. You might pay a little bit more, you might pay a little bit less. Now, where did I get this from? I actually bought it from like your TJ Maxx, Home Goods, one of those stores. So I didn't get it directly from like a Target or a regular big box retailer. And it's about $15 if you get it from there. So, and that's if you can find it, because they don't always carry it. It's not like something they always get in. So that's the big difference. So when you're popping there, if you want to get something, check there first, and then you can go to your regular big box store if the TJ Maxx or Home Goods don't have that. What did I think about this item? I thought it was pretty good. I mean, the setup is really easy. I think it's very basic in setup, and it's very good for beginners, and it's also good for if you just want to use it every day, whether you're traveling at a Starbucks. It's easy to carry around because it's pretty simple to set up. As you can see, it's about 10 minutes to set it up, or even less if you do it a lot. And it's something that looks really nice too, because with the gold color. So I would put that out there. Now, would I buy this? Yeah, I would buy it to use it as a beginner, but of course, I think it also really depends on what kind of videos you're doing. Like for me, I generally do a lot of these preview unboxing videos. So for me, this one would work. Now, if you're a professional and you're doing like percussion or singing, and you're a professional singer, you'll probably use something different, because there are other items out there that cost a bit more, which can run you about like $100. Where this one, you're only paying a fraction of it, or like a quarter of it. Retail probably like 25 or maybe 30. So you're not paying that much for it. So that's something to think about. Now, hopefully, if you guys have one of these, definitely leave me some comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys find this item pretty good, what you think about it. Share it with the community. I definitely will respond. I'll read your comments. And also, once again, I make new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I definitely welcome you guys to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build my subscriber base. If I've added value to you with this video, definitely hit the like button, and also feel free to leave comments. So once again, keep watching out for new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Until then, you guys take care.